In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to a host on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that was used to make the reservation, since payment options and booking details will only appear there. If you have more than one trip or reservation, being in the correct account is especially important. Once you're signed in, go to the trips section. This is where Airbnb stores your current and past reservations, and it's the easiest place to find the booking connected to the host you need to pay. When you're in Trips, select the reservation you want to manage. This will open the details page for that specific stay. On the reservation page, take a moment to review any payment requests or outstanding balances related to your booking. For example, this could include a remaining balance, an approved extra charge, or another payment request connected to the stay. It's a good idea to read the details carefully so you understand exactly what the payment is for before moving forward. That helps avoid confusion and make sure you're paying the correct amount tied to the reservation. After that, follow the prompts Airbnb provides to complete the payment. The platform will guide you through the process step by step. You may be able to choose from the payment methods already saved to your account or select your preferred available method if more than one option appears. As you go through this screen, double check the amount shown and make sure everything looks right before submitting. When you're ready, confirm the payment. Airbnb will process it and then display a confirmation message once it goes through successfully. That confirmation is important because it lets you know the payment has been submitted through the platform and linked to your reservation. If you don't immediately see confirmation, give it a moment and avoid submitting the payment multiple times. And that's it. The key thing to remember is that payments to a host should be handled directly through your Airbnb reservation whenever a payment request or balance appears there. Using the trips section keeps everything connected to the booking, easy to track, and simple to confirm. Once you see the confirmation message, you'll know the payment has been completed successfully.